The election fever getting hotter, a political analyst says it is time for voters to start scrutinizing potential candidates in the 2016 polls. The full details from this report.
The election season has begun and several names have already surfaced. The Filipinos' penchant for a so-called telenovela scenario which involves saving the underdog is believed by political experts as one of the reasons why Senator Grace Poe nabbed the top spot in the latest Pulse Asia survey.
Even yung political culture natin, pag inakusan mo yung isang tao, lalo na somebody like Senator Grace na walang, kumbaga, wala pa namang masamang bahid, no? Parang yan yung sympathy for the inaapi, no?
Meanwhile, Rivera said Vice President Jejomar Binay can still redeem his standing in the survey if he will give a more concrete explanation on the allegations thrown to him.
Siguro nga yung allegations, no? I don't think satisfactory na lang yung sinasabi na puros politika lang naman yan. BP Binay or the family will have to come out siguro with a different response that is more credible, no?
As for the ILG Secretary Rojas, who is on the 4th spot in the survey, the looming endorsement and active campaigning of President Aquino will be his salvation, while his personality remains intact. Although survey results do not have the monopoly of the results of the actual elections, political experts deem it important for political aspirants to monitor their standing in surveys, as this is part of the democratic process, a privilege that us Filipinos enjoy. And given this privilege to choose, this is now the time for the Filipinos to pick the platform that their future leader must lay down before them.
It's about time that the public should be the ones defining the issues. Themselves.
For the People's Television, this is Ara Perez.